Hello, travelers. Okay, this is going to be tip number 2. I want to show you what I do with my little go-go squeezes. These are little applesauce packets. They come in varieties: applesauce, apple banana, apple strawberry, several different ones. What I do with these is I put them in the freezer and I freeze them, and then when I pack my lunch, I stick them in my lunch kit along with my cheese, some grapes. I also pack slices of bread. Let me see. I can find them in here. I didn't squash them. Here they are. Slices of bread. And I've got my cheese and my ham. I put all those in there, and then I use these as ice packs. I also have little packets of mayonnaise and mustard and salt and pepper that I get from restaurants that I put in a Ziploc bag, and I put them in my pocket as well. So these things are perfect for using as ice, and then they're also perfect for a snack later. They are 3.2 ounces, so even if they do defrost, you can still take them through security. So that's tip number 2. Thanks, guys. Happy traveling.